Have a look at this little flapneck chameleon, Camellia dilepus. I just rescued this guy off the road. I guess it was almost a flatneck chameleon. Now this is a little male. You can see at the back of the hind foot there's a little spur. Then at the base of the tail they have the hemipenal bulge right here. And then the flaps on the back of the casque or the head is a little bit more prominent also with the males. Now have a look at this. This is a prehensile tail. Which basically acts as an extra limb in the trees. They have these independent eyes, so one eye can look at possible prey and the other eye at possible predators. They have these glove-like feet which help with grip in the trees, and then also a telescopic tongue which can be twice the length of the body, which they shoot out and catch their prey with. They'll eat all sorts of beetles, butterflies, moths, spiders, and all sorts of little insects as well. Little lizards also. But these are magnificent animals. They don't really change the color to blend in, they rather change the color according to their mood, temperature regulation, all sorts of stress factors, whether there's a rival male or female, and similar things to that. But the base color usually do blend in, but such a beautiful animal. The flapneck chameleon.